Namaskar and good afternoon to all of you. Today we have in this session, afternoon session, we have two lectures, acupuncture and acupressure. So Dr. Hariom Bom, today he is with us. He is a MBBS doctor and he is MD in anesthesia and PhD in alternative medicine. So we have a very renowned doctor with us, and he is also practicing acupuncture for a long time. So we are fortunate to have him today in our session as our speaker. Dr. Hariom Bom is a medical graduate from SMS Medical College, Jaipur, 1973, and later did his diploma and postgraduate degree in anesthesia from SMS Medical College, Jaipur. His subject of interest is pain management. He developed interest in pain management, alternative medicine, specialty in acupuncture. He had done his diploma in acupuncture, master's in acupuncture, and PhD in alternative medicine from Open International University, Sri Lanka, under noble guidance of late Dr. Anton Jayasuriya. He has been practicing acupuncture for the last 25 years as a passion for acupuncture in Jaipur. He has cured large number of patients who have lost hope from other corners for various diseases like psychosomatic disorders, depression, allergic conditions, back pain, sciatic radiation, migraine, allergic asthma, allergy to food, allergic dermatitis, cervical spondylitis, frozen shoulder, horse pain, etc. So Dr. Bom has cured some of our patients from LNMIT also, and that is how we know him for many years. So I hope that this session will be a enlightening session for all of us to see that how acupuncture can help us cure our diseases. So now I request Dr. Hariom Bom to take over the session and start his talk. Dr. Saab, namaskar.
Thank you very much for giving an opportunity to interact with your forum. It's my pleasure to enlighten on the subject. You've given my introduction already, so no note about it. How I develop interest, my session, I don't want to make it as a lecture or something like that and going into technical things. More as a informative and giving some know about the subject. I'll just take few minutes to know how I developed interest in alternative medicine. In the time of 80s, there was a camp in Jaipur, some sort of acupressure camp. My wife asked me if I want to join. I said, go ahead, learn something. There is nothing bad in learning something. With the same allopathic mind, I didn't give any importance to what she's learning or what she's doing it. And in fact, honestly speaking, that time I didn't believe in pathy also. She learned, and when she started curing the patient, you can ignore the subject, but not the results. I was very much impressed. That time, books and nothing material was available in India on the subject. I developed the interest. I got the lot of literature from abroad. I studied of my own. Then I went to England for training for my pain management subject, there I learned the acupuncture is given importance even for in our allopathic branch also for management of pain. Then I thought of learning it in a proper way, and I went to Sri Lanka for my official degrees and official course. Besides that, I went to a number of countries to know and learn part of the acupuncture. I just start the subject with a very simple thing. Can anybody tell me what is the difference between dead and alive person? Some will say it is the heart will stop working. Some will say stop breathing. But basic thing is, what is the force which drives the heart, which drives the lung? And from where this force come from? आप इसे अपने बोलचाल भाषा में ये भी कह सकते हैं ये जीवन शक्ति है। ये शक्ति आती कहाँ से? क्या इस बॉडी संसार में हम लोग ले सकते हैं? नहीं। जब आप जन्म लेते हो तो माँ के पेट से आप इस शक्ति को लेके आते हो, और ये शक्ति आप में ड्यूरिंग योर ग्रोथ ये अपने आप पीक में चलती रहती है जब तक आपकी यूथ आती है, एंड वह स्टे फॉर फ्यू इयर्स and then it keeps on declining. This is a genetically transmitted energy which we got from the womb of a mother. And acquired energy we get from day-to-day food, and basic source of that is also sun in the form of vegetable, water, everything. Sun is the basic things, basic source of energy for the acquired also. Now, why I just spoken this? I want to connect it to the part of the body. Each and every cell of the body is being connected, and this energy is passing through each and every cell of the body. The cell which is deprived of this energy will get dead. And with the progression of the aging process, this energy get diminished, which we call in the form of sign of aging, loss of sight, joint pains, loss of hairs, wrinkles, and the day this energy becomes the zero, we are dead. So this energy, when it is each and every cell is connected with this energy, this, as you all are familiar about the fact that no energy flow in a singular manner. It is always in pair, like magnetic, north-south, like electric, negative, positive. Same way, this energy has got two types of the characters. In the language of acupuncture, we call it yin and yang. So this energy, when there is an imbalance of the energy, flow of energy get imbalanced, there is a result into the diseases. And with the help of the acupuncture, we do nothing but balancing of this energy flow. Now, what is acupuncture? This word comes from acupunctura. Where you point acupressure point and giving a puncture to those points is called an acupuncture. How old it is? It is said to be 3,000 years ago in Han Dynasty in China. This was done. 2005 years before BC, Chinese Emperor Huan Di is the founder of the acupuncture. At that time it has come. It was vanished in China also and was again in practice in 60s when an American team, Nagoya embassy team has come and there was some problem and they have applied and they were impressed with that. How long? What is the history of acupuncture in India? As long it has started in 1959, and the first man who learned from the China and came to practicing in India was Dr. D.K. Basu in 1959. Now, I'm just giving very basics about the how acupuncture is done. Acupuncture is done by puncturing the acupuncture points with the help of needle. How we measure, where are the points? I just want to share my screen to show about. This is the, see, this is the needle. This is the needle we use for the acupuncture normally. And this is the method how we make it. This is an instrument we use for measuring the points. And these are the channels we got, how these points are connected in the 12 regular channels. This is how we measure and we do it. So I don't want to go in much details about it. We measure with the finger of the patient itself. And this is done. Now, how many kind of the acupuncture is there? There is the one I showed you with the needle is the classical acupuncture, moxibustion, electroacupuncture, laser acupuncture. Now, homeoacupuncture is also being done nowadays, putting a homeopathic medicine at the tip of the needle and giving it. And latest nowadays, I am doing work on nano acupuncture. For example, a very small amount of the very nanoparticle of the insulin for diabetic patient, and found the results are very encouraging. On the ear acupuncture points are given and getting it. Auricular acupuncture, when we do it with the ear, Sujok acupuncture, when done with this hand, and this represents your body, back, leg, hand, and putting small needles. This done by the Pardu. I'm in a good friendship with him also. This is how this kind of do. Now question comes, as far as the or medical science says, they don't believe it. They don't believe in it. They say it's not a correct science, it's not scientifically proof. My question is, what is the meaning of scientifically proved? Scientifically proved, today in the world of allopathy, I would a little bit divert and I'd put my own vision about it. This science is 3,000 years old. Nothing is being written or nothing. It was practicing later on they write in some languages. As a doctor, I personally feel I am a healer. And whatsoever the pathy is to be used, I don't mind using it, but my aim is to give a relief to the patient. I do believe in this chakra, Reiki, acupressure, Sujok, everything, Ayurveda, homeopathy. And my personal experience is no pathy in the world is complete in itself. I being an allopath and practicing for last 45 years, I personally feel the gain of the allopathy to the world is diagnostic tools, surgery, and intent of antibiotics. No parallel to it in any other pathy. Emergency situations, allopathy is the best. Severe diseases like severe late stage malignancy and all these things, I think that are the best things. But other than this thing, we are not doing anything in allopath. See, if patient go for asthma to the allopath, they will ask him to take the use of the inhalers. How long and how far? Till you use the inhaler, you are all right. Once you stop it, again this develops. So we are treating only symptoms, not derooting the disease. Allopath, beside Ayurveda, has got some very good treatment for some diseases, as well as homeopathy, pranic healings, chakra treatment, color therapy, acupressure, acupuncture. I will speak about in what diseases the acupuncture works excellent, my experience, and all these things. Now, various experiments is done. Now, question they ask, what are, there is no points, there is no channel you got, the channels collecting. These channels and all these things are not anatomically present in the body. It is so minute, it cannot be even microscopically visible. But they are connecting to each other. And how we believe in it, you put in a pressure acupuncture at a point in the foot, and instantly you get relief in the head. Your headache is gone. There is something which is connecting to you. May not be visible to your microscopic things, may not be visible to your eyes and everything. Lot of experiment has been done on it. Serial CT scans has been done. And it was found that after acupuncture, there's a lot of changes in the brain, pain center in the brain. We have to believe there is something. And I do personally feel if my acupuncture point and point just in a little away from the actual site, I don't get the result. Until unless on the specific point I made an acupuncture, I will not get the result. So there is some channel or something like this, I believe in this thing. And now question comes, how does it work? There is the, again I would like to share the screen showing some, these are the neurotransmitters they are producing in the body. And particularly serotonin, endorphins, they are released during acupuncture. They are morphine-like substance, endorphins, which are released in the body and gives pain relief. T cell also is found to be increased, which are responsible for immunity. Serotonin is a substance which gives your mood elevator or something, give pleasure mood or something like that. So this is this. How long a session takes? A session for the acupuncture takes around 20 to 30 minutes for the classical acupuncture. And for Ear acupuncture, it hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. How frequent it is needed? 2 to 3 times a week. How long effect lasts? This is a very important question. Once I got an experience for the last 25, 26 years. It depends upon patient to patient and disease to disease. I got certain cases which I treated them 23, 24 years before for problems like migraine, for problems for like allergy, and they are still perfect. I remember a guy who came to me with the complaint that even in the summer, he cannot drink cold water. He cannot sit in air conditioner or cooler. If he sits, he develops asthma. He came to me, I gave him treatment for a month. And by the grace of God, he is still free from that problem and is enjoying his normal life for last 23, 24 years approximately. It depends how the patient take also, what precautions he takes. Is all. But I do have the cases where I given the treatment and it lasted for last 35. Now another question, is there any side effect about the acupuncture? Yes, do. Infection. If proper care is not taken, or his needles are not sterilized, skin is not sterilized, there are chances of infection at the site of puncture. Breaking of the needle. Needles can break down inside the body. They can puncture the internal organs as well as. If it is done by untrained at a sensitive points, there can be harm also. Minor bleedings. These are some of the problems which is being encountered. Now I'll come to the point in what conditions this therapy is. One of the negative points for this therapy is that patient has to go to the acupuncturist for the treatment. As the other alternative medicine, he cannot do it of its own. Like acupressure, you can do it at home. Naturopathy, you can do it at home. Diet schedules, you can do it at home. But acupuncture, you have to go and approach to the trained acupuncturist for this purpose. Out of my experience, I will tell some of my cases which I have done during this, what for these diseases, this is most useful. Pain is the most important thing where the acupuncture is being recognized by allopathy science also. Now even textbooks of the pain management, they were given the place of acupuncture for the cure treatment. I start from head to bottom, headaches, migraine. I must have done thousands of cases of migraine. And I'm happy to share that I got the best results for the migraine. Almost 90 to 95% cases cured it. And even 22, 23 years long, they've got no complaint. Some of them repeated it after 10 or 11 years, and they're all free of this. Toothache, cervical spondylitis, very good results. Frozen shoulder. Decurvance disease, when there is some problem and one cannot move hand like this. Temporomandibular arthritis, when you cannot open, painful mouth. Backache, ankylosing spondylitis, osteoarthritis of knee, sciatic radiation, ankle joint, low backache pain, trigger finger, tendonitis. I tell some of the cases about the low backache and sciatic radiation. I remember one of my friend is a renowned pediatrician in this town and senior to me also. Once I met him, he was asking me, what are you doing? I told him I'm doing this acupuncture also. He told me I got myself treated by Mr. some other pain relief management center and got some therapy, in non-invasive therapy, and I'm all right. I said, that's good. I'm happy that you are all right. Now, I told him that time also, but the question, important question is how long? After say around 8 or 10 months, he, his wife, and another renowned practitioner of the city, they all three came up to my clinic, holding that doctor one side by his wife and one side by the other. He was not able to even stand. Anyway, we got him treated. He came to me for almost 1.5 months. And I am happy to share, for the last 3 years, he is playing golf every day. I remember one of your case from, not directly from your institute, but one of your staff family member. I believe she is also fine. Same way, back pain, one of the senior politicians and then the minister of the state government, they all got the chronic cases for more than 20 years, feeling bad, and came and by the grace of God, they got. And recently, I worked for the chikungunya pains, post-COVID pains. I have treated the patient and they have got very good result. Post-herpetic neuralgia, which is the most, I don't know, and I don't pray that any one of you feel what is the post-herpetic pain neuralgia. It's a very, very bad, but acupuncture has got very good results for that. Neurological disorders, insomnia, migraine, I've already told you. Trigeminal neuralgia, when your entire face, this is very painful. Facial palsy, psychosomatic disorders, depressive disorder. One of your institute alumni, today she must be alumni. I just help her. Helps in recovery of the hemiparesis paralysis. Varicose veins, I have done few cases, but got the good results. One of the very, very important, now I'm coming to GIT, gastrointestinal problems, how it has been done. I'm telling you of 1995. Just now when I learned, my brother-in-law, he just came to me for a problem That is the reflex esophagitis. Anything you eat, it comes out of it. One of our close relatives, who is a renowned gastroenterologist of the town, he told him, okay, you have to follow the certain things, put 2-3 bricks at your head end of your bed, eat at least 4 to 5 hours before go to bed, stop drinking, stop eating fried and all these things. He came to me, I was afraid of treating him also, but I treat him. And I am happy to share, since 1995, he is perfectly all right, leading normal life as anybody else. I just described some of the diseases for the women's: oligomenorrhea, dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea is the problem where the women get pain before menstruation cycle. Irregular menses, most common problem of PCOD. I have done the cases for PCOD also, and happy to share that it has been cured. Acupuncture anesthesia, which is not common, not doing here, but during my training period, I have done it for cesarean sections as well as. Skin disorders, urticaria, all type of skin disorders, herpes zoster, alopecia areata, not this alopecia other type, but areata. When patches of skin losses is there, it works very good. Now I would like to mention here, there is one of the very good result-oriented things were allergic conditions. I remember a case, a lady, one of my known friend's uncle, he was having some problem in neck. He came to me and I just started treating. Then he told me, my wife has got a problem. Every day in the evening, she gets eruptions in the entire body, itching, and all eruptive features are there. I said, bring her. They said, oh, we have got tested for all allergens, around 250 allergens. And we have gone to All India Institute of Medical Sciences, PGI, Chandigarh, everywhere. And now she is on corticosteroids, and she has taken almost tons of the corticosteroids. And she lost the hope, and she has mentally prepared herself that she has to live with all these things. I told her, please come. And she said, no, I don't want to come for any treatment. I don't have any hope. Anyway, I told her, come to me, have a cup of tea and just sit. Ultimately, she agreed. And I gave a treatment for a month or so. And happy to share, since then, it's more than 20 years, she doesn't develop any allergy condition. I've treated the cases for food allergy, allergic to sugar. One of my very close relative, sugar in any form, even a single particle of sugar used to create an itching sensation. Lot of allergic cases have been done. And the best part of it is, it is not treating any particular type of allergy. Acupuncture increases your immunity to that level. The allergen does not work at all. I would just narrate a story about one of my professor. His daughter-in-law was suffering from some skin problem and she was allergic to sauce, cheese, and coffee, for which she was fond of. One day he told me, do you have any treatment? I said, I will try, send her. Then he told me she has already taken treatment from Dr. Mathur. There was the head of department there, and Dr. N.K. Mathur, and all renowned personalities. She has. I said, send her, I will try. And happy to share, after 1 month of treatment, she had paneer pakoda with sauce and coffee. And nothing has happened. And she is living in it. So these are some of the best cases, but I found it allergy for the allergy condition, whether it is skin allergy, can be the allergic asthma, allergic rhinitis, allergic sinusitis, any allergy condition. I personally feel this is the best pathy to answer these things. Endocrine disorders, gynecomastia, diabetes mellitus, it helps. Although it is diabetes mellitus is a disease of your lifestyle, you have to control your weight, you have to control your habits for the diet and everything. But it helps in improving the diabetic mellitus. Hypothyroidism in early stage, when it is diagnosed, I assure you, you will never need to go for thyroxine or something like that. Obesity. Obesity is nothing but an addiction to the food. It is a psychosomatic disorder. Points are given where you stop. Your love for the food is being reduced and keep on reducing, helps in that way. Hysteria, schizophrenia, sexual impotence, and most beneficial things are, it is very helpful. Drug de-addiction, tobacco de-addiction, and alcohol de-addiction. After 3-4 sittings, the person start hating the smoke. First they start hating the taking alcohol. But for the drugs, you have to go for 3 to 4 sittings in a day. But within 4 or 5 days, withdrawal symptoms are finished and it stops working. Explanation for this is, it releases a lot of endorphins in the body. These are some of the diseases I have treated it, done it, and now I would prefer going for the open session for the questions and answers. And I just see Manish Singh also. My hello to him. On the screen I saw Manish Singh also. Yeah, Dr. Niyogi, is an open session if somebody wants to do. And after that, I will give some important tips for general use.
Okay. So it is a very, very exciting session because you being a medical doctor and you are doing acupuncture, and whatever you say, the cases that you have treated, because you know the diseases very well, it gives a lot of faith to the common man. As a very successful acupuncturist in Jaipur, so at least we people can get the benefit of it. So I'm really glad to see that so many diseases that you have treated yourself in these 25 years. And the first, when I came to know about you, is again my colleague, Dr. Manish Singh, he was having difficulty with migraine. And one of my alumni, he told me about you, that you have treated migraine very well. So, and then I went to you along with him, and he got the benefit. He's cured of it. So, but we find that it is quite successful in treating a large number of diseases, and getting you here as a doctor, medical doctor, and at the same time you are doing acupressure is a great benefit to us. So now, if there are any questions, I will wait for any questions. Otherwise, I will have some questions. So let me ask you one thing. First of all, the cases that you have treated, it will be very nice if we can present them in a website somewhere, so that we can have the access to that full data, because here you cannot describe all the things in detail. So without the personal name of the patient, if those data can be there, then I think it will be more convincing to the patients that yes, these are the cases which are being treated successfully. So are you planning anything of that sort, sir?
Yes. I'm just going by my website and I've just collected the data and testimonials from those patients.
Yeah.
Because most of the patients I've been treated and they got cured are in Jaipur only.
Yeah.
Some of them are from outside, they have already given. So with the collection of all those testimonials, I've been very poor in this part, I agree with you. And I got data in my personal, but I could not be any competitive as for this electronic media and this thing is concerned. And definitely to give them a benefit to the most of the society, I need to make them aware of the fact where it is beneficial. And I think the electronic media is the only best chance for it. And hopefully within few months, I will publish all these things, and my site and everything is on progress, and soon it will be done.
Surely. If you need any help from LNMIT, we are there.
Definitely, you people can help you better.
In the website management and other things. Surely, it will be very nice if you can do that. It will be very beneficial to the people. And also, in the website somewhere, we would like to write your contact address or your phone number, so that people can contact you directly.
Right.
That will be nice. Sir, I have one question. That what is the science behind it? This acupuncture. How does it work actually?
This is still a mystery. All are presumptions. As I told in my lecture before, I'll share a screen for this. These are the neurotransmitters. These are released due to the producing of the analgesia. And endorphins are released. It has been proved scientifically. After acupuncture, levels of the endorphins has increased. So this is the one of the. But the question comes: if you given the how endorphins and morphine works for a certain period of time only.
Yeah.
But cases I have done for 15 years, 20 years, and they are perfect. I remember probably one of your professor's family, she came to me. She was not able to stand even for 5 minutes. And I got a phone call from her for the few months back. Then I asked her, how are you? So she says, I'm perfectly fine, but that must be about, say, 5-6 years. So how does it work is still a mystery, but probabilities are there that these substances are released.
Okay.
And serial CT scans are done. After giving acupuncture, several CT scans were done, and they found there in a changes at the pain center in the brain. How it is transmitted is still a mystery. As I told during my just brief this, that I put a point and needle in the foot and you get
Mhm.
instantly relief in your headache. There is no connection from there to top.
Mhm.
I put a pressure at the one of the leg points, and frozen shoulder makes his hand rise. I don't know how. There is no apparent channel or something like nerve or vein or something. The probability comes as 80% of the acupuncture points are close by to neuromuscular bundles where the nerve endings are there.
Mhm.
They block the message. But again, question comes, how long?
Yeah, yeah. That is the most wonderful thing that suppose say you are giving the treatment for 10 days, 15 days or 1 month, but the effect lasts for 15 years that you said, 15, 20
I,
years.
I just told you, one of a very senior colleague of mine, he came to me with the help of two persons to my clinic.
Mhm.
And last 3 years playing golf regularly.
Mhm.
He was not able to stand
Mhm.
because of lumbago and sciatic radiation.
Mhm.
He was having prolapse disc in the back,
Mhm.
and because of that, his pain was radiating leg and he was not able to stand. How does it work? Is a mystery, not clearly. All presumptions are there still.
Mhm.
Lot of work. Some say it is goes through the lymphatics. Some say waste. There is way that I told in the beginning.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
nobody could find out what is the connection between these minds, how these connections are there.
Mhm.
But one point you do at another place is switch and give effect to the other. How is really missed.
Yes.
I just share one picture. I think it is missing. Where it is gone. Like I believe I do the acupuncture therapy also,
Mhm.
treating some of the diseases with the ear only.
Yeah.
That can be explained on the basis you see the shape of your ear.
Mhm.
It is like a child in a womb.
Yeah.
See, it is like head and
Mhm.
finding legs and all these things.
Mhm.
With that point, they've done it. But that can be explained on the basis. There
Mhm.
might be when embryo develop, there might
Mhm.
be some unseen connections being thrown out from that place.
Mhm.
So that then is something, but that
Mhm.
can be correlated with the ear acupuncture part of it.
Mhm.
But exactly, I cannot say, and still a lot of work is going on. How does it work?
Mhm.
Still, the clear cut is only the release of certain hormones.
Mhm.
And even the modern science say a placebo point says given it does not work. They don't believe. They say it is no scientifically not proven. I said, what is the scientifically proven? Your
Yes.
science of the what you call it is an allopathic word has come much later from that.
Yeah.
Even your panchkarma and all these chakra therapy. How can you see the chakra in the body? No,
Yes. No, no, no.
it does work.
Yes.
What is
Of
the
course.
meditation?
Yes.
You are aapke this crown chakra, you just control it.
Yes.
Your heart, your this you control with all these chakra, Mooladhara chakra, all these you work for it and it works.
Yes.
And color therapy is also based for the giving color to the chakra.
Yes.
Do you have any reason and scientific proof for it? No.
No.
What is the
There are a
pranic
lot of
healing?
things.
Do you have any explanation for pranic healing? No.
No. Yes.
So these are the things, but you cannot ignore the results.
Mhm.
How can you close your eyes when you find the results in front of you?
Mhm. Yes. Sir, have you treated any Parkinson patient?
Parkinson's, I have done one case. That I give you one thing and advice for that. I could control his medication part.
Okay.
Normally, what happens in Parkinsonism? Diseases progresses,
Yes.
medicine increases.
Hmm.
But in spite of the medication, things are not controlled properly.
Hmm.
I just treated with it and I found it that disease was ceased.
Hmm.
Requirement of medication was not increased and disease is not increased.
That is
But
something.
it's such a long process.
Hmm.
Attendant get tired
Hmm.
for bringing the patient because I told you there's a minus point for it. You have
Yeah.
to go to the acupuncturist for it.
Hmm.
But I suggest
Hmm.
if anybody has got Parkinsonism,
Hmm.
they must do yoga and
Hmm.
pranayams.
Hmm. Okay.
I do every day I go for the yoga.
Hmm.
There is one gentleman who is suffering from the Parkinsonism.
Hmm.
And in the last 3-4 years, I saw him lot of improvement without any medication.
Okay. Hmm.
So my recommendation is to
Hmm.
go for yoga and pranayams.
Okay.
That may help a lot.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So one more last question from my side. If somebody wants to learn acupuncture, is there a way out? Suppose if he is not.
Yeah, in fact, I had a plan because it's my also desire that whatever I learned from number of years, I give it to somebody to pass on to the society.
Yes.
I had in a plan to open an institute for it. And anyway, with the regions or something with it. But if someone is interested and some group is interested, I can make them learn acupuncture.
Okay.
And how it will work, we can plan out for that also.
Okay, that's great, sir. Very nice.
I would give me 5 minutes. I would like to give some tip for general use.
Okay.
You see, when you come across, there is a lot of, sometimes you come across the vasovagal shock, somebody is standing or some pain or something, you get and fainted. That time, give pressure on two points. That will give magical effect.
Okay.
One is this is the point. This is due 28.
Okay.
Press
Here.
hard this point, yes.
Just
This
after
point.
the nose.
Yes. And another point I'll show you in the book is the kidney one. Press it with the hard thing. Patient will get up immediately. This is, one can see the point. I think this is the point.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
In the foot you can see. This is a kidney one point.
Yes, yes.
If you press these 2 points simultaneously, patient will immediately get up.
Okay, okay.
For pain,
no, these 2 points are for the fainting.
Fainting. For pain, see, this is thumb and this is
yes.
This is the point here, Li4.
Okay.
Press this point hard. You will get, it will act as an analgesia point.
Okay.
One very important point for nausea, vomiting, and lot of the persons suffer from the motion sickness. When they travel, they feel nauseating. So this is a point known as the pericardium 6.
Hmm.
Take these 3 fingers of yours,
Hmm.
put it here,
Hmm.
and this is the point.
Okay.
Press it hard.
Hmm. This is for
For nausea, vomiting,
nausea.
motion sickness.
Nausea, yes.
Motion sickness, when during travel they feel nauseating.
Yes.
This point will help a lot.
Okay.
Severe headache. Severe headache, there is a point. I think I would just not clearly showing it. Between second toe,
Hmm.
second and third toe.
Okay.
Between second and third toe, there is a webby space
Hmm.
in the foot. Press that point hard, your headache will be gone. That's what I was telling you, is a wonder. You
Hmm.
press this, your headache is gone. There is no connection between two, virtually.
Huh.
It's a very good point.
Hmm.
Very important point is for the asthma.
Okay.
That is the lung 5, is known as the lung 5. So otherwise, I'll make you understand otherwise.
Sir, I think we should make a.
Yes,
figure.
it is. It is, you see. This is the point. How to measure? Take 2 fingers from here at the center.
Okay.
Draw a imaginary line and midpoint of it. Whenever you get an asthmatic attack, press it hard. You will get relief and effect as a 1 injection of Deriphylline.
Good. So
Chest pain is a very important point, Dr. Neogi. I will take a second.
Yeah.
It's a very important point. That is, if you feel chest pain,
Okay.
likely to be cardiac. This is your little finger.
Yes.
This is the inner edge of your nail. Press it hard.
Okay. Cardiac arrest.
Cardiac. You can buy the time till you reach to any of the centers.
Okay.
So this is very important point. And severe BP, draw a imaginary line from tip of both the ears, ear center.
Okay.
Massage this point. This is due 20. This is tip of the ear.
Yes.
Draw a imaginary line like this in the center and massage it here.
Okay.
Massage it here, it will slow down.
Okay.
So these are the some of the beneficial points. It can be helpful.
I think one of us can go to you and you can make a note of it, and then we will make a one word file. So the most important
I can send you with the diagram.
Yes.
And you can you can put up in your clinic or something, like when I give it to the students.
Yes.
And I'll during your exam and all these things for the students, stress points and all these.
Yes.
I can give so they can be benefited from that part of it.
That is a usual case. During the exam, there are many students who have exam fevers.
Yeah. There is one question. Any point for regrow of new hair? I told you, alopecia areata, it works. Areata means if there is some patch of hairs has gone, there it works. But nowadays, say laser therapy, superficial follicles can come, but still I'm not very much confident about, so I can't comment anything much.
Okay.
Although book says it works, but I have never tried, I never gone it. Otherwise, I would have done it on myself.
Hmm. One question, every therapy has some contraindications. Is there any in acupuncture?
Yes, contraindication. There is one precaution as well as contraindication. I forgot it. Contraindication is said to be the last trimester of the pregnancy,
Hmm.
because these stimulation can lead to termination of pregnancy. And second, and a precaution has to be taken, when you go for acupuncture, you should not be empty stomach.
Hmm.
Because I want to hear explained simply needle putting does not mean kneading. There is a transformation of energy.
Hmm.
And this process of transformation of energy consume lot of energy.
Hmm.
So if you are empty stomach, you may go for the hypoglycemia and so on.
Hmm.
And number of patients, it do happen with me at that time. And that time I use this pericardium 6 and everything, patient gets off.
Hmm.
Any question more? Sir, how much time to cure from the disease, any side effect of acupuncture? Acupuncture, I told you already the side effects of the acupuncture: infection, breaking of needles, small blood, and if some untrained acupuncturist is there, they can there are some sensitive points. The internal organs can be punctured, and lot of the pneumonitis cases has been found, because in the back there is one point which is given for the asthma. And if you insert it little deeper than what is required, may lead to the puncture of the lungs. And lot of cases has been reported. And since the advent of this acupuncture,
Gastric problem. Somebody is asking for gastric
90
problem.
deaths had been reported in so many years, 40, 80 years. 90 deaths has been with the acupuncture. I was going through the data, 90 deaths.
Oh.
There is one point for gastric. Gastric, for points he has asked, I said, advise you to do one thing. आप रात को सौंफ भिगो के और सुबह पहले पानी पियो, it will help a lot in your gastric problem. And point also I can tell you, there is a stomach point. With your stomach 36 point, when I will send you, Dr. Niyogi, I'll just noted this point also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll send in the chart exactly where what to do.
Sure, sure. Any other question? Okay. If there are no other questions, sir, I really thank you. We have? Can we learn it online from you? Can we learn online from you, please? I think online we cannot learn because that is this is.
You see, there are two things in learning. One is the theoretical part. Theoretical part you can learn online. Like what are the meridians, what are the points, where they are situated. Yes, theoretical part you can. But for the practical purposes, you need a patient. Yes. If not patient, a dummy has to be there. Yes. How much to calculate the point, how depth is doing, how the needle is being inserted. That part you have to learn it out of it. Yes. If you prepare a group who are interested in learning, I can spare my time. Okay. And to make them learn, I'll be happy to teach them if they are really interested in for it. That's great. Thank you, sir, for that. Surely. And other question? No. So there are no other questions, sir. So I must say that it was a great experience listening from you, and because you are a doctor and you have a first-hand experience, you have treated so many of our patients.
So of our faculty members, students, so we have developed a faith that yes, you are here and it works. So thank you very much, sir. And I think in the future, huh?
I just wanted to say something also.
Yes.
Sorry, just interrupting.
No, it's okay.
What I feel,
Yes.
as I told you, as a doctor, my aim is to give relief to patient,
Exactly.
irrespective of the what pathy I use. Patient want cure, he is not bothered what pathy you are using it.
Exactly, yeah.
And my experience, 50 years experience in the field of medicine, I come to the conclusion that no pathy in itself is complete.
Exactly.
Some of diseases are cured somewhere. And I, in fact, appreciate your work on this part. I believe you've done a lot of work on this part. In which diseases, which pathy work.
Yeah.
And I believe you are doing a great service to the society by guiding this thing.
Thank you, sir. We are starting.
I must congratulate you.
Thank
and
you,
I
sir.
must appreciate and admire your efforts
Thank
to
you,
give
sir.
a proper direction
Thank you, sir.
to the society.
Sure, we need your guidance. So with your guidance, I think, we can learn a lot and we can go ahead with our work. So, okay, sir.
And if you, I can once in a month or so.
Yeah.
I can give my honorary services to LNMIT also. If you want,
Thank you.
some students are
Sure.
during,
That would be
particularly
great,
during exam period, stress period, and all these things.
That will be great. Yes. We can work out on that line also. Sure. Yes. Okay, sir. Namaste.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
You wanted to say something more?
No. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was a great talk listening to you. Thank you, sir.